Dear language learner, I have wonderful news for you today. I'm so happy because this is going to help a lot of people. It will clear lots of doubts, not just in the hearts of students, but even teachers. Yeah. So we have official languages of most of the countries of the world, and that's English. We have others, like French is spoken in a number of countries too, but I want to use English as a case study here. So you that is about to begin your language journey or that is learning a new language, I want to teach you basic tips on how to learn easily. It has helped me. First, while learning a new language, these are things I want you to note. Number one, how many alphabets does your target language have? Secondly, how many consonants? Separate them. How many consonants, how many vowels? Thirdly, are there special alphabets? Fourthly, can you compare the sounds of the English alphabet and the sounds of the alphabet? I don't mean the alphabet. I didn't say you should compare the alphabet. No. Compare the sounds of the alphabet. Why do I say so? Because some alphabet changes based on the next alphabet close to it. Take for instance, might change when it is accompanied by a velar sound. Might change when it is accompanied by a nasal sound. This same might change when it is accompanied by a bilabial sound. Now, why I said sound is because sounds most times are easily captured than the alphabet. Yeah, I don't mean change in terms of how it's written, that is the orthographical representation. No, I mean sounds, how it is pronounced. So, but the good thing about some languages is that they are pronounced exactly as they are written. A good example of such is Igbo language. For example, we have de, me, de, edemede. Your guess is as good as mine. It's spelled E-D-E-M-E-D-E, edemede. Then we also have another word like aka, aka, yeah? So, after you've considered these things I said, then you can begin your language journey. Also, do not get lost trying to memorize the alphabet of a new language. It may do you little or no good. And you will spend the time you would have used to learn other things memorizing alphabets. So what do? Learn the pronunciation like I said. Try to compare with the alphabet of that language you know how to speak best. In fact, when you do contrastive analysis of two languages, it will help you to learn your target language faster than you ever imagined. Are you going to practice this? I would like to see you do it, and you'll be amazed at how you would go. Now, let me give you an example. In French, we have 6 vowels. In English, we have 5. In Igbo, we have 8. Now, let's start with English. English has 5. That's the list. 5. That's A, E, I, O, U. I might not pronounce it as our diction teachers would, but I'm not a diction teacher anyway. So we have A, E, I, O, U. That's the English vowel. Then for French, we have A, E, I, O, U. Then we also have H. H is a vowel in French. There are other special characters anyway, but I'm just talking about the basic ones. Then for Igbo, we have A, that's A, E, A, O, U, O. It's quite simple. Just repeat your A, E, I, O, U. Then the I will have a sister. Let's call it a sister. The I will have a sister, and that sister will have a dot under it. Then the O will have a sister with a dot under, and then the U will have a brother with a dot under. I want to bring gender balance actually. So that is it. If you're able to know these similarities, then your language journey is made easy.